Hi, Lane.
Hi.
Lakad na tayo. Huwag titingin. Lakad lang. Okay na. Tapos may bird's eye view. Hi guys, we're going to Bahay Chinoy.
Oops, stop Gab. Before that, let's introduce our members.
With Simon, Gab, Ide, Bryson, Prince,
With
I'm Lair.
and your name.
What's your name? Tourist guide.
The tourist guide.
The tourist guide. Intramuros. Magelo ka. Hello. Hi guys, we're going to Bahay Chinoy. So Bahay Chinoy is located in Intramuros, Manila. So Bahay Chinoy is near Letran University and also another museum which is Museo de Intramuros. So let's go. Hello guys, me and my group mates are in Bahay Chinoy, also known as Chinese Filipino House, located at Intramuros, Manila, Philippines. Hi guys, so we're at Bahay Chinoy. So yeah.
Bahay Chinoy is a Filipino-Chinese museum dedicated to the history, contributions, and heritage of the Chinese Filipino. It showcases the rich history of Chinese influence in the Philippines dating back to pre-colonial times.
The museum was inaugurated in 1999 and is a part of the Kaisa Angelo King Heritage Center, which aims to promote awareness of the role of the Chinese Filipinos in the country's history and culture.
The museum has interactive displays such as dioramas, life-size wax figures, and interactive displays to depict various aspects of Chinese Filipinos' life, including daily activities, businesses, and cultural practices from different periods in history.
This exhibit shows the pre-colonial interactions between Chinese merchants and native Filipinos.
This exhibit illustrates the Chinese community's influence during the Spanish colonial period, including their roles in commerce and labor.
In this exhibit, featuring Capitan Chino, highlighting his prominent Chinoys who have contributed to the Philippines' political, economic, and cultural life.
send na yung picture sa hagdan.
Ano?
Okay, let's continue.
Simon, ang tawag dito? Ang tawag dito?
Sino unang plant yan?
Yun.
Yung plant yung kasi mga antik.
Jane, ano kayo? Sino unang geng-geng?
Yes. Na atay ba?
Meow meow.
Meow, siopaw.
Upon leaving the museum, we had a lot of fun and we learned a lot as well by just roaming around the place and reading the descriptions. It made us realize that Bahay Chinoy serves not only as a museum but also as a cultural preservation center that promotes appreciation and understanding of the Chinese community's vital role in shaping the Philippines. It emphasized the interaction and mutual contribution between the Chinese and the Filipino cultures throughout the centuries.
Okay guys, that's all for our Lakbay Aral. And thank you for watching. Bye! Kamay mo, ganun mo. Ganun mo yung kamay.
Bra, do the